Hi, my name is Supriya Jaiswal. I'm a chartered accountant, an MBA student and a model by profession. So my profession requires me to wear contact lenses for a good 8 hours a day, and for which I spend around 15 minutes every day to just apply the contact lenses and then another 15 minutes to let them settle so that I don't cry. So it was kind of really necessary for me to get LASIK because on the go I cannot apply contact lenses all the time, and also it's not healthy to wear them for more than 8 hours a day. I guess it was a really good decision to get the LASIK done, and also the team here is really polite, professional and sweet, I would say. My doctor Srilata, she handled me with absolute care. I am really happy now. I have perfect vision. I'm on the go always, and it has made my life much hassle-free. Thank you.